students! Welcome to my backyard. This is my mother-in-law. Her name is Rita. She's 82 years old, and like everyone here, she is vegan. She became vegan around the same time as my dog Bella became vegan in 2017. Before filming, I asked her permission if I could, and she said, "Of course." And I said, "You don't have to pay attention to me at all. I'm just going to be watching what you were doing, so just continue as if I'm not here." And she said, "No problem." She knows I make lots of videos, so she's used to it. Unfortunately, as what happens with old age, Rita started to lose her hearing a little bit, so she can't actually hear me right now. But we often put music on in the kitchen and dance together. We have a lot of fun with that, and she does pick up on the beat, and she hears different types of instruments in the music. So you're probably wondering why it is that I am filming this lady. And the reason for that is that I actually admire her. I find it incredible that somebody could become vegan at such a late stage of life. She is Italian. So you can try to imagine what Italians typically eat. What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think of somebody who's Italian and the food in front of them? Pizza? Pasta? Lasagna, linguine, fettuccine, all of it. Lots of cheese, and also different sandwich meats. Yep, she's had them all. And somehow she managed to quit eating those animal products. And how did this happen? Well, when it was decided that she was going to come and live with us, we had just become vegan, and we told her that we didn't want to have any animal products in the house anymore. And at first she was a little bit surprised. She didn't quite understand. But then we showed her various different videos, and she was horrified, like any normal person would be. She could not believe the way that society treats the chickens, the cows, the pigs. Everything she saw about the dairy industry, the meat industry, and the egg industry horrified her. So she was quite willing to become vegan with us when she saw what was happening. Her husband died of a heart attack, and so when she found out the bonus of becoming vegan was also good for her health, she was even all the more on board. She takes it pretty seriously. She wakes up in the morning and grinds up 1 tablespoon of chia seeds and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. She mixes that in some water, and that's how she starts her day. At lunch, she has a plate full of different kinds of vegetables. She often eats asparagus, she eats carrots, and she has little rice crackers. So you can see beside her various bits of her sewing kit. And in case you're wondering, she is actually sewing a shirt of mine that maybe you've seen me wear before. It used to be my husband's shirt, and he didn't want it anymore, a sweatshirt, and so she made it narrow so that it would fit me. It's the one where the writing is on backwards, but if you saw it, you wouldn't think so, because I use it for TikTok, where everything's reversed. So it helps me, so I want to press so many buttons when I do TikTok videos. It says, be brave, be vegan, start now. On the other side of her are my husband's jeans that had a hole in them, and I think that's a pillowcase that she's sewing over there. She loves the garden here in Canada in summer. It's really beautiful, and she takes care of it. She's allowed to kind of do whatever she wants. So she is thrilled to be sitting back there. She loves the warm weather so much. She really doesn't like the Canadian winters. I just love seeing her with her feet up on the table like that. Oh. Rita also really loves Bella. Bella often sits on her bed, and Rita just feeds her little bits of food, which she shouldn't because Bella gets overweight, but you know, grandma privileges kind of thing. Anyway, I just wanted you to meet her because she's somebody I care about a lot, and I hope that she has a long, happy vegan life ahead of her. But she's already 82, so who knows? Anyway, thanks for being here. Coming up on screen are going to be a bunch of other videos. If you want, click on them. Be curious. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now.